Inside the inside, it's green.
It's amazing how many times you find me on the inside of a coach. Yeah. Hey, so this is another mid-entry coach, which I really like because you can bring your groceries right in, stick them in the cabinet, put them in the refrigerator. But let's go ahead and start up front.
Okay.
Okay, we have a bunk bed overhead, which is always good. We do.
500 pounds of that.
We have 3 cabinets. They are all empty, no equipment in any of them, so you got plenty of storage space. Not very deep, but you got space. Okay, over here by the passenger seat, one of my favorite things is that pull-out desk where you can work while your driver's driving. I love this. Or you can eat your milkshakes and hamburgers and all that good stuff. You do have 3 cup holders. You got some dual screens, backup cameras, and maps. You got your levelers and the air conditioning controls, radio, etc. all along here. And over here on this side, you've got your automatic leveling system and some additional controls for your mirror, etc. A place for your telephone. So you know what? I don't think mine's going to fit there. I think mine is too big. Fit there. Haha, mine don't fit. I guess I could put it in like that.
Well, I don't think there's any automatic charge here.
No, but I mean, my phone will fit in there anyway, so it's interesting. Just point of. Okay, now I'll come back. We have 2 recliner seats, literally across from the TV set, which I always love. There's 2 cabinets above. They are pass-through, so nice big cabinets for you.
Fully reclined. How do these recline?
These fully reclined.
Have a little lever on the side like this.
Yeah, I have to find it. Hang on a second. You try to test me. The lever is actually on the inside, which is a little inconvenient, but doable. Well, okay, it seems like it's stuck a little bit. There we go. Well, folks, I don't know as far as this one's. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that's this. Directly across from here is, of course, the TV set, 2 windows, and your dinette booth.
Hey, those doors come out of the bottom, okay.
I believe they do. Well, there's a little tag here. Actually, no. I think you have to come up here, and there's a board, and it lifts up the board. You can see the hole there.
Why would I bother having these doors here?
Oh, okay. There you go. So there's a drawer there.
So the 2 doors on the other side, we won't bother trying the side of the door. But on that, we make the door. And we'll come over to the kitchen area.
Here.
We have one of those hybrid top and propane gas stoves.
Right. Convection oven.
Microwave.
And a cabinet up top for your dishes.
Yeah.
You got 3 long drawers along the bottom.
Controls in there.
And you also have drawers here. Nice big size set here. And another drawer down at the bottom.
No other at the bottom here.
It's the same as the other ones.
All right, awesome. Well, let's see. Let's rotate to the kitchen here.
In the kitchen, we have plenty of space here for our dishes. Space up there. You have a spice rack here. And another single cabinet over here with an adjustable shelf that's missing one bracket. There we go. We have 2 drawers here. You do have adequate space underneath the cabinet for garbage can. And we have a small little cabinet over here on the side.
You should throw your seam covers there.
Yeah, I don't think they'll fit. We're going to find out. Nope, will not fit. Okay. Yeah.
Across the way, we have this very interesting double door refrigerator.
Freezer, refrigerator. No frost.
Well, there's actually that old strap across to hold it in place.
This is the strap to hold it across, yes. See? It velcros kind of.
Not doing so down the Anyway, what do we got here?
This would be the pantry area.
The pantry.
The bottom shelf is useless, but you got 3 good sized shelves here. You have a control panel on the back, on the wall.
Your touch screen.
And your Xantex.
And that's your Xantex inverter display. Now, what do we have over here? Oh,
This is a cabinet wardrobe with some slide out there.
I don't see. Yeah, I see the space is that. The washer and dryer in there.
Yes, because it has the louver door, so this is able to have a washer and dryer. Behind here is the restroom.
Restaurant.
Yes. We have a big size medicine cabinet.
Here we go.
Cabinet here. And more cabinets here.
We don't forget that. There's a towel bar in there too.
There is. And there's also a shower.
Shower. Shower and power. All right. Well, here I am, and wow, actually, this is very spacious for a Class A bathtub, particularly like a football. Okay. Rolling along, weird silence now. Yeah, I do the same. Yeah, that's fine.
All righty.
But I don't like crazy about the noise.
All right, well, let's go check the bedroom out. You have a nice large mirror here to see through. Yeah. Okay, you got a king size bed with 4 cabinets above. I believe they are pass through. They are pass through, so you can put something long through it.
They're all connected.
They're all connected.
Okay, king size bed. I'm not sure.
It is a tilted bed. And over here you have a wardrobe. Here's your table that goes up front between the 2 chairs.
You know, telescoping ladder for the bunk up front.
You have 3 drawers here. They are all the same size, and they all work.
Yeah.
On this side there is a cabinet. And you have 3 drawers again. I'll just show you one, but they're all the same. On this side you have literally an identical type wardrobe, 3 drawers. You have a small fireplace.
Fireplace. Let's hop out of the way. Long ago.
Okay, and you have 2 shelves in there for some extra storage.
Lovely. Show window in the rear.
Mm-hmm.
What do you want these for?
That's okay.
Yeah? Okay. Well. We always want you to remember to open the doors to adventure.
Start all your journeys with
Yeah.
Thervkeys.
Great day, folks. Bye-bye.